Everybody's talking about it. You're wondering about how to market to the millennials. And right now, you're thinking, marketing to millennials and direct mail don't go together? On this video, I'm going to reveal the information found in the most recent report published by USPS. But buckle up, because we're starting right now. Hey, it's Matthew. Welcome back to Car Count Hackers. If you're new here, we're all about growing your car count, income, and profits so that you can improve the lifestyle of everyone you care about. Go ahead and hit that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and you'll be on your way. So I asked you at the beginning, you're thinking about marketing to millennials. I hear it all the time. People struggle. They can't, can't get to those millennials and all that stuff. I just went over the most current report from USPS, and it was produced by Summit Research. So are you ready to get going and find out what they found out? Because I'm going to show it all to you right now. Just one more thing. In the comments below, be sure you let me know what you think about all the information that Summit found and USPS published. Just so that we're all on the same page, here's the age breakdown that Summit used to put this report together. Overall mail engagement has increased since 2012, and millennials are at least as engaged with mail as non-millennials. Regardless of age, most consumers get their mail at the first opportunity and then sort it at the first opportunity, usually the same day, indicating a high value of mail. And although they receive less mail overall, millennials spend more time sorting their mail and are more active consumers of mail. And when the report looked at the consumers' response to direct mail, it was pretty clear. 87% of them said they would rather receive mail than a telemarketing call. 86% of consumers said, I take time to look through my mail. 84% of them said receiving something in the mail is preferable to a telemarketing call. But wait, there's something here that's going to just blow your mind. 81% of consumers said receiving a handwritten letter, note, or greeting card in the mail still has a lot of value. And I've covered this information. I'm going to link to a video up here. It's going to cost you 17 cents, and you're going to start to bond that relationship between you and your customer. But right now, let's get back to this report. So if you're not sold on direct mail, and you will be by the end of this video, maybe you're thinking email. Well, here's what the report found. 62% said, I'd rather scan for useful information by going through my mail than email. But hold on, there's something else. 52% of consumers said local stores need to make better use of mail. I don't want to say I told you so, but I told you so. So now you're thinking maybe about privacy, because let's face it, privacy's been a big issue. It's been in the news about data hacks and things like that. So let's look at how consumers look at mail and privacy. 78% claim they really value the privacy of mail. 76% of consumers say they value the reliability of mail, and 76% also value the security of mail. I hate to say it, but wait, it gets even better. 73% of consumers say if someone I don't know wants to do business with me, I'd advise them to use mail. And 45% of consumers said businesses in neighborhoods need to do a better job using mail to keep me informed. The report ended with some generalities and customer behaviors. Consumers say that they like to discover what's in the mail and consider time with the mail to be time well spent. And of that 47%, 50% of them were millennials. And if you're still not sold on direct mail, when talking to consumers, 86% claimed that they pick up mail at their first opportunity. And 89% of those were millennials. So if you want to market to millennials, don't you think you should at least be looking at direct mail? And I'm also going to link a video I did up here about a simple strategy on how to use direct mail, because it's dirt cheap and easy to do. You can start that today. But if you want to round out your marketing, go ahead and check the links down below. I'm putting on a brand new free training course, how to double your car count in 89 days without wasting any of your hard-earned dollars on that money-sucking advertising. And once you've done that, come on back here and watch these videos, how you can virtually double the price of your oil change without raising your parts pricing or your shop rate. And then go ahead and hit that subscriber button, ring the bell icon. That way, I'll be sure to see you on the next video. I'm Matthew. Take care and talk soon.